water pollution, right? I heard water pollution. Yeah, we have air pollution. Sound pollution. See, we're all so loud right now, which is sound pollution. We have so many kinds of pollution, right? But today I'm going to focus on one kind of pollution, which is plastic, right? How many of us use plastic on a day-to-day basis? Everybody, raise your hand if you use plastic. Yeah? What kind of plastic do you use? Junk food, right? You buy a Lay's packet, it comes in a plastic. Who else wants to give me an answer? Yeah. Water bottles. Yeah, which is the biggest one. We go to a restaurant, it's very convenient to just buy a water bottle. Anyone else? Yes. Yes, covers. You go and buy tiffin, right? How many of you had tiffin from outside this morning? Where did your parents bring it in? Dosa? And was it in a bag? Was it in a cover? Cover, right? How simple is it to take a tiffin box to a hotel and bring your food, right? Your parents could have taken a steel tiffin box to bring dosa in it, right? So tomorrow, when your dad goes out to buy dosa, you scold him and tell him to take a steel tiffin box. Yeah? Promise? That's a promise to me? Okay, give me a high five. Yeah, that's a promise. And everybody is going to make that promise. At least once a week, you as children have the right to yell at your mom and dad. Don't be scared. He's my dad. That's my dad. Every day he goes out, I scold him to take a tiffin box. Right? Daddy?
Yeah,
Yeah?
exactly.
Look. He's being yelled at a lot by me. It's okay. Tell your mom and dad when they go out to take a cloth bag to go buy groceries, right? They go out to buy vegetables, they go to the market. Instead of the plastic covers, next time you're telling them, Mama, Papa, take a cloth bag, right? They go out to bring idli. They're putting that hot sambar in a plastic cover. By the time it reaches your tummy, the plastic melts into the sambar and we're eating that, right? How many of your fathers drink tea every day? Tea? All of our fathers, yeah? Daddy, raise your hand. He's a tea lover. My dad loves tea and he needs to drink it every day, right? What are they drinking the chai in? Steel cup? Oh, you have a good dad. What is everybody's dad drinking tea in? Boys are very lazy. I can't tell you. Steel cup? Plastic cup? Okay, everybody that said steel cup, pat on your back. Everybody that said steel cup. Good job, because you're doing the right thing, right? But when your father or you or your mother is drinking tea in a plastic cup, we think it's a paper cup. It's not a paper cup. What happens to paper when you put it in liquid? It dissolves. But when you're pouring hot chai in what is called a paper cup, how is chai sitting in that cup? Is it paper? It has a plastic coating, right? So when we put hot liquid in that plastic cup, plastics are melting and they're going in our tummy, right? It causes cancer, it causes a lot of other nasty diseases, right? So next time your father is going to tea stall, scold him and put in his coffee at a tiny steel cup. Yeah? Promise? At least once a week, you're gonna scold your dad to take a steel cup. Promise? Yeah, I can tell you. Yeah? Now that 2026 is coming, this is going to be your first New Year's resolution. To change your father to drink tea in a steel cup. Yeah? I can tell you. Yeah? Okay. So now let's talk about where our waste ends up, right? So we have all of this plastic, we throw it in a dustbin. Where is the waste going? Dump yards? What? Yes, oceans, dump yards, where? Where do you see waste around you? You're sitting with your father in his bike and you're going through the city, you're going through the town. Where are you seeing the waste around you? Yeah, roads, right? Why are our roads looking so bad? We're Indians, right? All of us, are we Indians? Are the roads our home? Everything in this country is ours, right? Yeah? Not just our homes, outside our homes, the parks around us, the school is yours because you study here. Everything in this country, we have a right on it because we are Indian citizens, right? So how should we keep our homes? Neat and clean, right? But how are our roads looking? Bad, very bad. And who eats the stuff on the roads? Cows? How many of us pray cows? Yeah? Hindus, where most of us are Hindus and we love cows, right? They're said to be gods. And what are we feeding our cows? Plastic. Yeah? If we have any food left, we're putting it in a plastic cover, tying it really tightly and throwing it on the roads. Now the cow wants to eat the food inside the plastic cover, but cow does not have hand like ours, right? So they end up eating plastic with the food. Yeah? Do you want to eat that? No? So next time when there's food left in your kitchen and your mom is tying it up in a plastic cover, what are you going to say? No. What can you do instead? You can have a little box in your kitchen. You can throw food waste in that kitchen and go feed some cow outside. Yeah? You'll also learn compassion like that. You can go pet the cow. You can see how cows are living on the road. Yeah? Who's going to do that next time? Yay! Clap yourselves, everybody. Everybody still awake? Yeah? Energy, I want energy. Yay! I have a little question. If anybody answers this, everybody here is going to clap for you. Okay? Ready? Whoever knows the answer is going to put their hand up. How long does it take for plastic to decompose? For it to get mixed with soil, how many years does it take?
Lakh years.
1 lakh years. Any other answer? I didn't say that is right or wrong. I just want to hear all the other answers. Oh, a boy raised his hand finally.
400 years.
400 years. Okay. We have one brave boy. Oh, we have more brave boys. Okay. It will not decompose. That's a tricky answer. Maybe I gave a tricky question. So let's see if we're all right. Yeah. We have many brave boys. You're just shy. Girls are doing better than you.
100 years.
1 lakh years. 1,000 years.
500 years.
500 years. Now, everybody who answered, keep quiet, don't shake your hands, but everybody else give a big round of applause. A big one. All of these answers are equally correct. We got 1,000 years. Now, plastics come in all different forms, right? You go bring your idli vada, it's a thin kind of plastic cover, right? It's very thin. You can just do that and it'll break. Your Kinley water bottle, for example, is a little bit more hard, right? You go to eat pani puri, they give it a thermocol. You know what a thermocol is? A thermocol plate? That's a different kind of plastic. Have you ever seen black boxes, black plastic? That's another kind of plastic. So depending on what plastic it is, it might take 400 years, like you said. It might take 500, it might take 1 lakh years, it might take 500 years, or it might never decompose. So the truth is, let me give you one exercise, okay? Now take a plastic spoon. In your house, right, everybody has a plastic spoon or a plastic straw or some sort of plastic. Go outside your home, dig a small hole in the soil. Okay? Dig a small hole in the soil, put the plastic in the soil. everybody's fun homework. Forget about math, English, science, today. Go outside the soil, get your hands dirty, dig a little bit, put the plastic inside and cover it up. Open it in 1 month. See if it's gone or if it's still there. Open it in 2 months. See if it's gone or it's still there. I bet you, if you open it in 10 years, you're still going to see it. When your kids are born and your kids' are born, you open it up, still going to be there. Now everybody understands that plastic is not going anywhere. Yeah? Do you still want to keep using plastic? No? Yeah or no? But plastic is so cheap. It's very cheap. It's so easy. You don't have to take it with you. You can just go outside, drink a coconut and just put a plastic straw in it and drink it, right? Yeah, it's so easy. But if you love your country, if you love the environment, if you love our animals, and if you love for you and your kids to have a good future, then everybody is going to take small steps. I'm not asking you to go out and do something big. Small steps to change your lifestyle, to become more green, right? There are about 500 of you sitting today, maybe 500, 600, yeah? If you change only one other person in your life, maybe that's your dad, maybe that's your brother, maybe that's your friend, just one person. You change one person and you change one person. Imagine there are 1,000 people going to change just because of you sitting there today. Yeah? And that other person is going to change another person. We don't need miracles. We just need one person doing something, right? And then maybe after 10 years, you come back to this very same school and just like me, you'll come back here and give a talk. You want to do that? Yeah? Who wants to do that? So boys are very lazy, man. It's always the boys, right? Boys are always like this? Yeah, see? Okay. So let me now, how many of you know the 3 R's? The 3 R's, we have a brave soul right there. Let me come. Excuse me. Let's hear about the 3 R's.
Recycle.
Yeah, so we got reduce, reuse, and recycle. Who's going to tell me what reduce is? Any boy? What's reduce? Okay, we got one right there. Now, I want someone else to be ready with what reuse is. Now we're talking about reduce. Someone needs to be ready with what reuse is. Okay?
Reduce means we want to reduce plastic.
Yeah, so he said reduce means we need to decrease the amount of plastic we need to use. And how will we do that? By taking our own glass, taking our own bag to the shop, right? Who's going to tell me what reuse is? Yes? So what is reuse? Someone be ready with recycle.
Using a thing again and again.
Using something again and again. So when we go to the restaurant, instead of buying a Kinley water bottle, if we take our own steel bottle, you can reuse it again and again and again, right? So that is reuse. I saw someone raise their hand for recycle. Okay. No pointing hands. If you want to talk, you raise your hand. Okay, I'm going to ask this brave soul. What is recycle?
Which plastic was one product to another product.
Perfect. Using one product that might be a waste, but making it into something good. Have you heard about best out of waste? How many of you heard about best out of waste? Yeah? Okay, let me ask the girl in the green jacket what best out of waste is. What is it?
We make anything from the waste. Anything from the waste by good.
Yeah. So it's your way, instead of sending a plastic cup into the earth, you're reusing it for something, so it checks off the reuse box, but you're recycling it into another product, which is recycle. Now let me introduce you to the 4th R, but it should actually come before all of the other three R's. Anybody knows what the other R is? It's a very new concept, but there's an other R. So we talked about reuse, reduce, and recycle. Let me talk about refusing. Yeah? What is refuse? What do you understand by the word refuse?
Not at all using it.
Perfect. Give me a high five. Yay! Completely saying no, I don't want to use it, right? So instead of refusing, okay, well, I'm using 100% of plastic today, tomorrow I'm going to use 90%. Instead of just saying I'm going to completely stop using everything, right? Maybe 9 out of the 10 times you're using plastic, but 1 out of the 10 times you're using a steel bottle. Instead, you can just always carry a steel bottle. So you're saying no to plastic at all, right? How many of you use a steel bottle? Or a reusable bottle? Any bottle? Yeah? Do you all bring bottles to classes? Yeah? No? Where is your bottle? Everybody needs to start carrying your own water bottles. Yeah? I'm hearing a lot of chit chat in the back. The boys are always lazy and always talking. So everybody who did not raise your hand, go up to mom and dad and ask, Mom, I want a steel bottle. Yeah, it costs probably like 100 rupees, and I'm sure they will not say no. Yeah? So everybody who don't have it will go and ask your mom and dad, right? Yeah? I don't hear a yes. Yay! Okay. So now, let me open it up to questions. You can ask me any random question, anything you want. No feeling shy, we're all friends here. I'm almost your age, I'm only 23. See, I'm not too big. So don't be scared of me. Ask me any questions. Yeah. Let me come to you, okay?
My question is that you told that we don't eat plastic and plastic things, right? Then what other we can use for a straw? There is not there any steel straw to drink, right?
We do have steel straws. You just have to look hard enough. If you go out into the market and ask, Bhaiya, can I get a steel straw? They'll give it to you. You have to go buy it. And if you buy one steel straw, you can use it for 10 years or more, right? You just need to buy it one time and always keep it in your bag, right? So, or in your pocket. Every time you go out to drink a coconut, just take it out, put it in, take it back to your home, wash it, and put it back in. Yeah? Ask your dad to buy you a steel straw. Yeah? Maybe he does not know it, and maybe you'll change it too. Yeah? Okay. What's your question? You or you? You? Okay. What kind of plastic?
Like plastic bottles of plastic.
No. And you know how I drink my coconut? The old-fashioned way. Ask your mom and dad how they used to drink coconut. No straw, they just... Yeah? And you cut the coconut, just drink it from top. Your dress is wet, everything is wet, but there's so much fun in it. Yeah? Try drinking coconut like that next time. Yeah.
Why is coconut plastic is so harmful?
Plastic. How many? Okay. Who knows what plastic is made of?
Polymer.
Yeah. Polymer is a kind of plastic, but what is it made from? Where are you getting? What kind of chemicals? Someone said chemicals, but what kind of chemicals? Where are these chemicals coming from? Are they made in the lab? Are they from the trees? Where are they coming from? Polyester. That is another kind of plastic. We have polyethylene, polyester, polybutadiene plastic. So where is this plastic coming from? Yes?
By humans.
By humans. That is a clue. We are making them. But where is it coming from? I'll give you a clue. It's coming from the ground. What do we drill from the ground? We drill a hole to get what from the ground? How are you getting your energy? and when we put a drill into it and we drill it out, it comes out as black oil. Yeah? And what we get from that oil are so many things. Yeah, we get energy to power your house, to power your classrooms, to give you AC, but we're also getting chemicals that are used to make plastics, right? So why plastic is so bad is when you burn it, yeah, you can just ask, why can't you just put all the plastic in a room and just burn it? Yeah? Because it's made from these nasty chemicals, it releases so many harmful gases. Yeah? And when we breathe all of this in, it's bad for us. We can get cancer, we can get breathing problems, we can get pneumonia. Yeah? So many different problems. So that answers your question, why plastic is bad? Someone asked me? Yeah. Okay, 2 more questions and then we're done. 2 more. Okay, the smart girl is just...
Is there any way to decompose plastic?
Good question, and I'm actually a researcher. I'm a student, but I'm also doing research. And no, the simple answer is no, you cannot decompose plastic. But a good answer that people like me are doing is making different kinds of plastics. We can make plastics from other good resources. We do agriculture, right? India is one of the biggest agricultural countries in the entire world. Yeah? We produce so much food. I'm coming to you. And we also get so much agricultural waste, right? We grow corn, we grow paddy, and there's so much agricultural waste left over. What do we do to that waste? We either feed it to cows, or the most popular thing, we just burn it. Because that's the most economical, right? Yes, we can also make manure out of it to make compost. But people like me, I love science, I love doing research, I love staying in the lab. So what am I doing? I'm making bioplastics out of it, right? Who loves science here? Yeah, my science people? I love science. Science is my favorite thing, chemistry is my favorite subject, yeah? Okay, give me 2 more minutes and then we're done. So to answer your question, what I'm doing is I'm making good plastics that look like any other plastics, but are made from trees. So it's good for the planet. It's good for us. Yeah? One last question. Anyone from the boys? Oh yeah. Then we come to you. Last question.
Why we are burning plastic?
Because we just don't have any other way to get rid of it. Yeah? It's the most cost effective. There's a cost for you to just burn plastic. No? Yeah. What does it cost to burn plastic? All plastic, let's say we collect from the school, from the outside, we can put it up in a classroom and just match it, and it burns. It burns within seconds. Yeah? That's how potent plastic is. And it's the most economical. No one seems to question the harmful toxins, the harmful gases.
But isn't that when we are all falling inside a shirt, doesn't your shirt get ruined and also that's a waste of food?
Okay, so you will learn it, go outside, ask your dad to buy you a coconut. Yeah? Ask him to buy you a coconut every day of the week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Every day of the week after school, go on your dad's bike and ask him to buy you a coconut. The first 3 days, you're going to drink it without a straw. Just put it up and drink it. First 3 days, it will spill all over your shirt. 4th day, just a little bit. 5th day, okay, you're getting hang of it. Saturday, Sunday, you will learn how to drink without spilling. Yeah? It's just going to take practice. But you don't need all of that old-fashioned way. Go on to Amazon. Yeah, everybody knows what Amazon is? Your parents love shopping on Amazon? Yeah, so many parcels that come to your house. Ask your mom and dad to go to Amazon and type steel straw. Yeah? You're gonna get probably a pack of 3 or a pack of 4 for 100 rupees. Yeah? Ask your mom to buy it. Keep it in your bag or your pocket all the time. So when you go out, you have your magic coin. You have your steel straw. Yeah? So that's it for me. You can find me on any social media. If you're doing anything sustainable, let's say you go out with your cloth bag today. I don't see it. Yeah? I love talking with students like you. That's what I want to do. I am still a student, but it's my life goal to inspire young kids, right? Future is ours. This is my dad right here. He's 51, yeah? He does not care about the future. He should not be caring about the future. He'll probably live for a few more years. So what is it worth to him if our world is going to die or no? Because he only has a few years left. We, how old are you? 15, 12, 14, yeah? We have so many more years to live. 50 more years, 60 more years. So the future is ours. So who should be caring about the future? Us, right? So it's my life goal to inspire students like you. So find me on any social media. My name is Abhinaya Polaka. Yeah, it's ABHINAYA. And my last name is POLAKA. If you're doing anything sustainable, if you guys go and buy a steel straw, send me a photo. I want to see it and send me your face. I'm the kind of person who will never forget you. If I've seen you, I will remember you for life. Yeah? And maybe 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line, you're going to be standing here talking like me. Yeah? Thank you so much.
Yeah. So, whatever Abhinay has told, please keep it in your mind properly. Think from your heart. It's all about us. Okay? It's all about saving planet, saving earth. Wherever we are staying, we have to take care of it properly. Right? Yes or no? Yes? I'll be always, even last Sunday, my hostel students, happily I gave ice cream for them. What they have done? Huh? No, it's a plastic. It's a plastic, right? So you ate it happily, enjoyed the movie, and what you have all done? And don't forget that I said to put it in the bins, right? But what my students have done, just because Sara have told to eat the ice cream and put it in the bin, they have done reverse game. Huh? You ate happily till the final end. You know, I saw the students even licking the plastic completely, and then happily throw it there. So you're happy. You know, your stomach is happy for a while, and then what happened? What happened to the earth? Why? It has to get punished because of you guys. Yes or no? అక్కడ ఉండే plastic wraps అన్ని, like, you know, someone will throw there. Yes? The whole trees over there. What happens to it actually? The fillings goes inside and the root will get destroyed. Yes or no? Someone like Abhinay coming and trying to tell us to save the planet Earth, to take care of it. What we all have to do, at least, ఏం చేద్దాం మనం అందరం కూడా? కొంత గొప్ప హెల్ప్ చేయాలి కదా, సపోర్ట్ చేయాలి కదా, చేద్దామా? గివ్ అ గ్రేట్ అప్లాస్. వెరీ గుడ్. అండ్ స్టార్ట్ taking care of it from your home, from the school. Then you'll take care of whole, you'll be an example to the whole world. All right, Nana? Yes? Thank you.